Hello everyone, this is Angelina with you, and today I want to teach you about a site that you can earn every day something like $2, and the withdrawal minimum is $100 to $200. Before we start to explain the site, if you are new on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe so you will be always updated in another videos. If you like my video, after you see in the video, don't forget to thumbs up, it's very helpful, and thanks a lot. Let's go to the site. The site calls itself PopSpins.com. This is the site. I will leave a link down below in the description. When you sign up in this site, it will be here written to registered. Okay, I'm already registered, like you see here, and here we have 55 spins that I can use, $0 here, and just a second. Okay, and like you see here, I have every 1 hour I can generate five spins. I will have every 1 hour 5 spins. So I did that already, and I have 55 spins, not 50. When you sign up, you will have 50 spins for free on first time. So how it works, it's very simple. Here you can see you can press on spin. I disconnect the sound so it's not having a boom sound like this. So it's not good to hear it every time you put spin 50 times. You want to hear it. It's mad. Okay, so let's do once and you will see what I'm speaking about. Spin. Okay, you see here what you win. We'll see what you win if you win something. Something wrong. Okay, I will try it again. Okay, you see 0.05 cents. Okay, you will win minimum 0.01 cents. Okay, let's do it again. 0.01 cents. Okay, you see here 0.06 cents, and I win also 5 spins again. Good. So what you can do also is put here on your username. Here you can invite people like referral. This is my link referral. I will leave it in the description below, so you can do that if you want. Sign in by my referral. Okay, and here you can see I have 0 invited people, sorry, because I just started this site. This is another user. I have a user also, and it have a few dollars now, but I wanted to do it clean so you can understand what is I'm talking about. So here you can see that you have to make 2 email confirmed invitations needed for next level. Okay, good. Okay, confirmation registration, confirmed registration, reward or double now, blah blah blah. Here you can understand what is talking. So let's go up, and if you want to withdraw, like I say at the first of the video, you have to have $100 minimum. You can withdraw by PayPal, Skrill, Neteller, WebMoney, Bitcoin, Litecoin. Okay, and let's go back. And if you want another way to have PopSpins, you have offers. You see here you have an offers that you can get for it: 50 spins for free, 50 spins for free, 20 spins, 30 spins, 10 spins, blah blah blah. You have to complete an offers here. So you also have a miner. If you have pop-up, you have to stop it, because I have a pop-up, so here I can put start. Like you see, click start mining and leave this page open for as long as possible. Your generation spins will be added automatically. You can leave this page open in a separate tab. Okay, that's what I always do in another thing in other websites. And like you see, you have coupons. That's all for this account. So here you can see that you have 0.06 euro cents. Okay, it's 57 spins. I started with 55, like you see, and now I have 57 after I made 3 spins. Yes. Okay, that's all. Now I will go back to the site and put here leave. You can see now I want to do another one just for showing you how it works. 0.01 cent. Okay, not bad. In a few days I will have a few dollars also in this account, and that's how it works. Now you can see I have to wait more 46 minutes so I can have 5 spins again, and every hour you can get into this site by your cell phone, smartphone, so you can get every hour 5 spins. If you are not at home, not with a computer. So that is all of the video about. That is all that I have to teach you right now for this site. Cool site, it's a new site, and if you like my video, don't forget subscribe and thumbs up. So thanks a lot and have a nice day. Goodbye.